Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. Today we're going to be talking all about how to look like you're trying without actually trying. Seriously, my motto for my life is to look like I'm trying without trying, whether it's with hair, makeup, outfits. For the longest, I was always accused of being super extra and over the top, but in all actuality, it's just over the years I learned how to look like I'm trying with literally putting in zero effort or thought. So if you guys want to learn some tips and tricks on how to look put together, polished, look like you're trying with very little effort, then definitely please keep watching. But before you go anywhere, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. So stay tuned. Step one to always looking like you're put together, literally no matter what you're wearing. You could be wearing a sweatsuit and sneakers, t-shirt, jeans, and sneaker. It doesn't matter what it is. But if you stick to the 3-color rule, you're always going to look polished and put together than when you're wearing more than 3 colors. Now, I actually learned this from Tony Sabdalis here on YouTube. If you guys don't follow her, you definitely should. I love her for fashion. So ever since I've learned that and stuck to it, it has made every single outfit that I wear look way more cohesive. For example, we have this outfit. I'm wearing a black top, a beige belt, white shoes, and jeans. It's a perfectly fine outfit. You could totally go out and about. No one's gonna think anything of it. But we have so much going on with different tones, so it doesn't look as cohesive and put together. Versus if I was to wear a black top with a black belt and black shoes. Now I only have 2 colors going on, so it looks so much more cohesive and just more put together. I've noticed that the less colors that you have going on, the more put together your outfit looks. My husband gets so annoyed with me sometimes because he'll be getting ready and he loves sneakers and hats and things like that. But I try to have him stick within the same color category. You could still wear a bunch of colors, but you just want to make sure that they're all tied together somehow and that you don't just have a bunch of random colors and tones going on. I'm telling you, you'll look way more put together with even the most basic outfit. So like I mentioned, the less colors that you have going on, the more put together you look and cohesive your look looks. If you go with an all monochromatic outfit, it does not matter how basic it is. It's just gonna look so much more elevated and so much more put together. You could literally take the same kind of outfit, but when it's monochromatic, you're just gonna look way more put together. This outfit I'm about to show you, I have on a beige chunky sweater, a similar tone pant, and then a beige coat. It doesn't all have to be exactly matching, but even if it's the same tones or variations with the same undertone, it's just gonna look way more put together. You could even take the most comfy basic outfit, like taking a matching sweatsuit, throwing a coat over it, and boom, even though you're wearing literally what feels like pajamas, you're gonna look like you have your life together and like you are just trying so hard. And really it took zero effort because the set was already matching for you. So we already touched on this, so we're just gonna jump in full force. This also brings up the topic of matching sets. So like I mentioned earlier, you could take that sweatsuit, you throw a coat on over top, and it looks like you just put so much effort into your outfit, but literally they chose the outfit for you. They were 2 pieces that match together and go together. So I love doing this with sweatsuits, but even just matching sets in general just have you looking so polished and put together, and it takes zero thought and zero effort. They literally picked out the outfit for you. I think jogger sets are my favorite too because you're just so comfy, but it looks so cohesive. You can see the nude jogger set. I look so put together, but really I feel like I'm wearing pajamas. Versus if I were to wear an unmatching jogger set, it wouldn't look bad. It's just not the same. It literally looks like I'm not trying at all, but in all actuality, they're the same style and type and material of outfit, but just one, it looks like I'm trying harder than I am. And to make things better, you don't even have to spend a bunch of money on matching sets. I literally got this matching set from Walmart. $10 each, and I've been wearing it non-stop when I go to Target, when I go to Walmart. It is so comfy, and I just take that basic matching set, throw on a cute coat on top, throw on a cute bag to accessorize it, and it looks like I just spent so much money and I'm trying so hard on my outfit, when in reality I got it from Walmart for $10 each. Like what? You cannot beat that. To me, sometimes it like takes more effort to like not look put together than to just like take the items that are matching that I have to put zero effort and thought into and just slap those on with like a coat. Then another tip for always looking put together and like you're trying without trying is to stick to comfy trends. So I always stick to like the comfiest trends as long as they're flattering on me and as long as I feel like I can pull them off, I will like ride them to the end. I'm all about being as comfortable as I possibly can be while looking like I'm trying. The most uncomfortable thing I will ever wear is jeans, and that's when I feel like I absolutely have to. So for example, like over the summer, I was obsessed with like the biker short, oversized t-shirt and just like comfy dad sneakers. That was my go-to outfit all summer, and it always looked like I was trying, but really I was just like sticking to a trend that literally felt like pajamas. Then one of my favorite trends at the moment is like oversized, kind of like baggy 90s/80s jeans, flannels. See this outfit, I'm literally as comfortable as I could possibly be. Like literally I feel like I'm wearing pajamas. The jeans are not constricting at all, super flowy, the flannel is super flowy so I can breathe, I can do whatever I want and I don't feel constricted. That outfit took like zero effort to put together. Versus if I were to squeeze myself in to tight skinny jeans, throw on a pair of like random Crocs or flip-flops or whatever, and just like a random ugly t-shirt. You see the difference there? And like, look how much more uncomfy I am in those tight skinny jeans, that bright t-shirt, which I mean, I love the t-shirt, don't get me wrong, I love the Golden Girls. But look how much more uncomfortable I am in that outfit, and literally it does nothing. Like it's not doing anything for me. It doesn't look put together. I don't look polished. I literally just look like I threw something on. If you don't care about always looking like you're put together, that's fine. But I feel like it took way more effort to put on the outfit that I don't look put together in than to put on the previous outfit. So honestly, like sometimes it takes more effort to just not look put together and be uncomfortable than to just find an outfit where you look put together and you're super comfortable. Another comfy trend that I love is the flannel with just like a tank top and leggings. Boom, I literally feel like, again, I'm in pajamas. It's a great outfit to run errands in. Looks like I know something about style. And again, I'm like not trying at all, but it looks like I'm trying. Two other comfy trends I wanted to touch on, or just like in general. One is oversized blazers. If you throw an oversized blazer on top of any outfit, it could be skinny jeans and a tank top, it could be oversized jeans and a tank top, it could be leggings and a sweatshirt, it could be a jogger set. You throw an oversized blazer on, boom, it looks like you know what you are doing with life. It looks like you have goals, you have ambitions. It literally looks like you are doing the most. But in reality, you could just throw it on the most simple, comfy outfit and boom, it elevates your outfit immensely. Another thing is shackets. Like you can throw a shacket on top of the most basic, simple outfit and it's gonna elevate it like a million. It is literally gonna look like you are trying so hard. When you have zero effort, you just put no thought into your outfit underneath, but you just throw on that statement shacket and boom, your outfit is at a next level. Then another secret to always looking polished and put together is if you're lazy and you don't want to spend time curling your hair, even if your hair is greasy, instead of spending all of that time putting like a bunch of dry shampoo to the point where there's like, you can still see the grease coming through and curling it and spending all that time doing that, just skip that and literally slick your hair back. A slick back hair look will have you looking way more polished and put together than you going through that extra effort, drowning your hair in dry shampoo, trying to style it and do whatever. Like, when in doubt, slick it back. And then last but not least, another way to always look put together and to elevate any outfit is to accessorize. In this clip, you see I'm wearing a simple black sweatshirt. It just looks so-so, whatever. You don't think anything much of it. But if I wanted to spice it up and again, look like I'm trying harder than I am, I would literally just throw on this set of layered necklaces. Mind you, this set is all one piece, so it's not like I had to sit there and clip all of those necklaces. Like I literally just threw on the whole set all together. And boom, I'm elevated. I got some earrings on, I look put together. Now something to keep in mind with accessories is that it's gonna be really similar to like balancing your makeup and balancing an outfit. The same way that you wouldn't wear a black smoky eye with a bright red lip. I mean, you could, but the same idea you wanna keep with like your jewelry. So if I'm wearing all these necklaces, I'm not gonna wear these giant statement earrings because it's just gonna be too much going on, unless that's the look that you want to go for. Me personally, I like for things to just be balanced out. So if I'm gonna wear the necklaces, I'll stick with like more basic, simple hoops. If I'm gonna wear really big statement earrings, I'll keep the necklace super simple, or just be necklace free and just like let the earrings be the statement. You wanna keep that in mind too with like your outfits. So if I'm wearing a super loud shirt with a lot of prints on it, I'm not gonna layer a bunch of jewelry because it's just gonna be competing. Same thing, if I'm wearing a loud shirt, I'm not gonna wear like a loud print, bold color pant and a bold shoe. Like, you just want to make sure you're balancing. Just by keeping that balance, your outfit will look way more cohesive. But alright you guys, that wraps it up for my tips on how to look like you're trying without trying and with zero effort. So I could definitely make this a series if you got like different hairstyles and stuff that can make it look like you're trying without trying. Different makeup looks too that can make it look like you're trying without trying. Like at this point, I want to look polished and like I have my life together, but I just don't want to spend the time and the effort or be in discomfort. So if that's something that you guys are interested in seeing, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys. I really hope that you guys found this helpful too. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.